Okay, 5th grade, Shurley method, page 45, part 2. We're going to do exercises 2 and 3. And then 4 as well. Okay, so underline each verb or verb phrase. Identify the verb tense by writing a number 1 for present tense, a number 2 for past tense, and a number 3 for future tense. Write the past tense form in regular or irregular. Okay, the kitten is scratching the legs of the sofa. What is our verb or verb phrase? Is scratching. Is that present, past, or future? Present. So number 1, what is the past tense of scratching? Scratch. Regular or irregular? Regular. Those ducks were quacking for their food. What's the verb or verb phrase? Were quacking. Present, past, or future? Past. So number 2. Okay. What is the past tense of quack? Quacked. Regular, irregular? Regular. Will your mom take us to the movies? What is the verb or verb phrase? Are the verb phrases always together? No. Will take. Present, past, or future? Future. So number 3. What is the past tense of take? Took. Regular, irregular? Irregular. I wore my best suit for the wedding. What is the verb or verb phrase? Wore, right? Okay, guys, remember, there isn't always a verb phrase. It can be a single verb too. Okay? So, present, past, or future? Past, number 2. Past tense? Wore. And is that regular or irregular? It is the same as what it was in the sentence, but where is the regular, right? Okay, so it's actually irregular. So you guys are going to do 5, 6, and 7 for homework. Okay, they want us to change the underlying base tense verbs in paragraph 1 to past tense verbs in paragraph 2. So, let's see. Dad sank tiredly into an easy chair. Dad sunk. You guys think it still sank? Yeah. Okay. Tiredly into his easy chair and mopped. It's still mopped, guys. Sweat from his forehead. So they might already have it in past tense, okay? But maybe not all of them. From his forehead. His push mower rested. Beside the steps. Mom watched out the window anxiously until she saw the mailman. She friend as the mailman handed the package to Dad. Then Dad broke the string and slowly unwrapped the box. Inside was a note and a key. Dad rose and walked outside. Mom and I followed him to the backyard. Dad broadly as he the new riding lawnmower in the shed. Okay. Exercise 4. Write the 7 present tense helping verbs, the 5 past tense helping verbs and then 2 future tense. So present. So the present tense verbs are am. What else? Is. Are. Not had, but has. Have. Do. And does. Okay. Past tense. So past tense is was, were, had. I've heard did. Been. And future. What are the 2 future? Will and be. Will and. You don't hear the other one as often. Okay. So for homework, you guys are doing 5, 6, and 7.